Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix not launching or starting a Division 2. It's very frustrating and very annoying problem that you may encounter when you play any game pretty much, but I know it's kind of annoying when you play Division 2 because it's it's pretty good game. But in this video I decided to create this video to help you fix this problem. Now I can't guarantee if this will work, but if it will work I'm gonna be very happy. So make sure you leave a comment down below if this worked, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. And now let's jump right into the video. The first method I have for you is to simply head over to Windows Updates, and you might say that this is a very simple method to fix, or you already done this before, but I'm telling you it's very important. When I bought this laptop and there were a lot of Windows updates available, and if you don't update your Windows, the games that you want to play will not work. Simply as that, because you haven't updated your Windows. So make sure you're doing that. And there's another pretty interesting option here. You can also advanced options, optional updates, and here you should have couples of updates available. Make sure you check all of them and click on download and install. Okay, and now the next step is go also to device manager, and here you can also click on display adapters, and you right click, update driver, browse, let me pick, and select here your driver. Select your driver, next, and you'll update your window or your driver as well. You can also go to GeForce Experience, and you can click on drivers and look if there's any available drivers. And as you can see right now there's available driver right now. Just click on download, and you can also go to Steam and your properties and your compatibility, and you run this program as administrator. And you can also go to Division 2 and you do the same thing, but in Division while you are in compatibility. Not only do not also check run this program administrator, but not only that, also make sure you check disable full screen optimization. So click on this as well and click on apply and okay, perfect. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. Provide you value. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.